Hello friend, welcome back. So now we have seen that how to what is testing daily and why testing daily. Now in this tutorial we will see how you can install it and how to use testing daily. It's very simple and straightforward. It doesn't need any explanation, but yeah, still I will show you guys. So what you have to do, like just go to SelectorsHub.com and here you will see this testing daily. Under products also you will find testing daily. So click here, or from here you can directly click on it. So this is the testing daily homepage. Here you will find all the download links, install links, as well as the website link. So very first thing I will show you here, this is the web application of testing daily. So for this you don't need to install anything. You just have to click on this link and it will open the testing daily website where you can read all the latest feed. Every day it will like get all the feeds from different platforms like YouTube, Medium, and a lot more platforms we are adding, and we will like keep on improving, keep on adding more and more platforms, so you get the latest and absolutely correct feed here. Like this is like new tutorial came on SelectorsHub YouTube channel, so this feed came here. Now you will get to know, oh, this is there. Someone has written this article about playwright versus selenium on lambda test. You can read about it, you can watch this tutorial. So this is what you can do. And so this is the web application. It doesn't require any installation. So for this, what you can do, like you can, right now it is bookmark, let me remove it. So what you can do, you can bookmark in your browser, and whenever you get free time, open this website. Testingdaily.info is the website. Testingdaily.info. Open this website and check out this. Just keep on scrolling, you will keep getting more and more feed related to testing. Now next is, here we'll see this on mobile phone. So you can install it on your mobile from Play Store. If you are using Android, if you are using iPhone, you can install it from App Store. It is available on both the platforms. So directly you can search it in App Store or Play Store for testing daily. You will get it there, or you can open this link. You can see that this is just within 1 week we got more than 1000. It is showing, actually it is more than 1700. Now we have it on Play Store, and on iPhone we have more than 700 just in a week of launch. More than 2000 testers is using on mobile. So this is really amazing. Okay, so you can install it on mobile. Okay, so now let me show you guys on mobile how you can get it there. So of course, like you can install it like any other app on your phone from Play Store. Just search for, let's say, testing daily here. So I already installed it, so I will just show you that when you search here testing daily, so it comes on it will come on top and you will see it there. So this is how it shows testing daily here on top. You can install it on your phone. So I already have it here. Now here you can see that this is showing all the feed related to testing here. You just have to keep on scrolling. That's how you can use it. It's very simple and you will keep on getting. So suppose you got the eye on this, that okay, this is good feed, and you want to read about it, or you wanted to check it out, that new feature, get the browser details, system info, what new feature came on SelectorsHub. So that you can read it, like see. And if you want to watch this, you can directly play the video here itself and watch this. If you want to, let's say, watch it on YouTube, you can click and watch on YouTube. Good thing about it, here you will not see any ad. Then suppose you want to read this article, you click on this and read article, or like at high level details, you will get it here itself. Then like just keep scrolling. Suppose you like this article, you click on this, you wanted to read it on Medium, you click, it will redirect you to the Medium article page. So basically here what testing daily is trying to do is, like, it is trying to keep you guys updated at high level information, that okay, this is what happening around. Now if you want to check out, your wish, you check it out. Suppose you are busy right now and you found some article here useful, but you don't have right now time, so you can bookmark this. You see that star is there, you can bookmark this by clicking on that star. Now whenever you have time, just go here on the left side, you see that bookmarks, click on that, and there you will find your bookmarks article or videos. So now whenever you have time, that time you can watch it. So this is really useful. You can share it with your friends right there from here. If you like this article, any article, you can upload that article. If you want to share some thoughts about that, you can add the comment here. So all those features are there. Here you can check out like what are the most popular article, what are the most upvoted article. So all those things you can check out here. You can also customize the feed, like let's say you are seeing that YouTube, Medium, like right now these four platforms are there from where we are showing the feed. We will keep adding more and more here, so you can keep checking out. So suppose you don't want to see, let's say Reddit feed, you don't want to see, you can turn off. Now it will not show Reddit feed here in the feed listing. Reddit feed will not come, so that you can do it here. And then you can always check out the tutorial suggestions. If you have any suggestion, you can add the ticket here under suggestion. We will request you guys that please share with others and invite more and more people, so that they can enjoy this amazing innovation. This is absolutely free community product, and we will request you that please add review here. This will really encourage and help us to like add more and more innovation. And don't worry guys, like it is showing download button because I have the test build on my phone, so that is the reason it is showing that. But yeah, you can install it. So this is how you can use testing daily on your phone. To upvote bookmark, you will have to sign in, so please create your account and sign in here, so that way you can do it here. Okay, so this is how you can use testing daily on your phone. Now how you can install and as a plugin, so that like next time whenever you open the new tab, you get the feed like this. So what you have to do, let me just first uninstall this. So uninstall testing daily. So you see that when we don't have testing daily, so whenever you will be opening whenever you are trying to open new website, the blank tab open, but from this blank tab, are we really learning something? You see that you must have observed that in Edge browser, whenever you open Edge browser, you see that they show some feed here. So in place of this feed, if we show something which is related to testing, will that not be useful for you? Definitely. So here let us add in our browser. So you can add on any Chromium browser like Chrome, Edge, Opera, Brave, Chromium. So click on this, add to Chrome. And here also we got like more than 1000 plus testers are using it already, and this is featured and everything. So click on add to Chrome, add extension, and you can keep it. So now you see that this feed is showing. So now whenever you will open new tab, you will see some new feed here, and every time you will observe that you will get the new feed here. And in all the platforms pretty much we have all the same features, like you can bookmark, comment, upvote, customize feature. If you don't want to here one more feature is there. If you don't want to see this Google search bar, you can hide it from here. That way you will have the better view. We also have the two view, like this is a listing view, that it shows articles like list, but if you want to see it in grid view, you can see it in grid view as well, like this. Start scrolling. So this is amazing and very helpful, very simple application, nothing much required. As a plugin, you don't need to like add any extra effort to use it. Automatically information is being served to you on mobile. Whenever you are free, just open the app and start scrolling, in place of scrolling like more and more Instagram reel and other social media platform which is not adding any value. And whenever you have time, you can open this website, and if you want to explore more and more, you can do that. So that's pretty much about the testing daily. It is really incredible innovation, very helpful for all the community, and that's the reason like people are really crazy about it. And in fact, like lots of great review and feedback are already pouring in, and you can read the review here on Play Store, on LinkedIn, what people are saying about it is a really great, amazing feedback are coming in, all 5 star from the people. So you can check it out, and this will add a lot of value in your career. And will request all of you that please add review and rating here, give a 5 star rating to this app. It will be really helpful for us to let more and more people know about this product and help people. Thank you, and thank you so much. Keep learning, keep growing.